just got invited to a club!
Me too! Me too! Hey, I didn't get an invitation. I'm gonna send an angry phone call. I need my glasses to read this. Let's see, it starts at 10 o'clock, and it's almost 10 right now. What do you mean you lost my invite? Hey! I guess we're separated from the girls. Oh well, I better put this on. I'm stylish. Perfect! Hi girls. What?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tell you like my quote.
So let's have a war with the girls. We should do a food fight.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
I think he said yes. We should have a food fight with the boys. Yeah, but we're smoking hot. We don't want our hotness spoiled. Fight like a woman.
The plan is, when they run outside, we're going to just throw stuff at them, and then we're going to yell at them and scream at them, and then throw some more stuff at them.
Attack! Ay, 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 ay! Steady almost. Hey, Pepper. Yes, Kita. What you doing? I am going to throw this at you. You threw it at me, and I'll throw it at you, and you see how you like it. Nice going, girls. Ha! Ho! Yee!
Don't worry, I'll come.
I better get the big guns. I think I swallowed too much blueberries. I'm growing! I know what to do. I hope we all learned a lesson today. No more fighting.
Hey, who ate all the peanut butter?
Who ate all our cookies? Should I start running now? Yep.